Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find manage app permission settings on your account, on security settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon like this. Now click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here click security. Now here you will find manage app permissions. Click on it, and here as you see you can easy manage your app permission. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.